The footwork for today will be to do a first move, crossing. It's a step where you cross from one side to another one. So this is not really stepping is just walking that way, but crossing is really go from one side to another one. So this is cross, ball change. You're going to go but not that way with the fans on the sides, and I close, I join. 1, I close. 2, I open. 3, and I wait. 4. So let's do it with the step. Go. So now I'm going to do 1. 1 is a synchronized movement. I'm going to cross and again join, and in the same time join. I'm going to do 1, okay, and 2, and 3, and 4. Yeah. So now we've done with the right foot. We are going to do it on the left side. So let's go. It does 1, 2, 3, wait, 4, and 5, 6, wait, 7, 8, and now you're going to join on the other side. 2, 3, wait, 4, and do the I go, I don't go, opening arms and fans up and down. 5, 6, wait, 7, 8, again. 1, 2, 3, wait, 4, and 5, 6, wait, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, wait, 4, 5, 6, wait, 7, 8. Last. 1, 2, 3, wait, 4, 5, 6, wait, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, wait, 4, 5, 6, wait, 7, 8. I show you once. Retirer, dégager. This is French word. And I retirer, dégager. Retirer, dégager. Retirer, dégager. Yes. Ooh. Some people already have the move, which is cool. So how to do it? You have to take care of where you put the weight of your body. So if you want to do a retiré, you have to put the weight, all the weight of your body on one leg, which is absolutely evident if you don't. So retiré, you lift your feet and touch your knee on the inner part, that way. So retirer, cross, this is what we've done already. Dégager, the weight of your body stays on this walking feet here. So you're going just to put the weight, just to put your tiptoe on the floor, but the weight is there, still there. And you can use it to do again, retirer, cross, dégager. And I found that move is pretty nice with the retirer, dégager. It's flat. So you are going to, you are going to we start in open grip that way. So you are going to join your fans that way till they cross almost. And after, you're going to reverse first, and after, again, open arms. And first, move your fans, and after, move your arms. It's important to see that motion here, opening, moving, close, moving, opening, moving. You have to retirer, change the direction of your fans, cross, dégager, open, change the direction of your fans, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, wait, 4, 5, 6, wait, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, wait, 4, 5, 6, and 7, retirez, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, again, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, prepare to accelerate, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and.
So let's try to combine both arms with this kind of movement. So we will trace the same side shoulder. We go here. I use my thumb. I push on my shoulder and go right in front of my face and go down. So up, shoulder, trace, go down, and extend up. We'll start at first in split time. So one hand is up and the other one is down and palms are out. So you will do this movement with the upper hand and go up again, while the hand which is down will go up extended and then trace. Shoulder down. So we'll do 1. In this point, both hands are on the horizon line, and then they are again 1 up, 1 down. And now we switch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we will see how to trace the other side. So instead of doing this, we will go and trace the opposite side shoulder. So always with your palm out, I go over my shoulder and back. So I start with my left hand, tracing over my right shoulder, and then they go up and down, both extended. And now it's time for the right hand to trace the left shoulder and extend. Now we'll go, instead of going over the shoulder, we will go underarm. So it's the same movement, but instead of tracing like this, I will trace here. And so 1 and 2, 3, and 4. So from here, touching my head, and I have my hand right over my head, and twists are down, and the hand is touching my head. So from here, I will continue this movement, and I go to the other side, wicks out, wicks up. I can go like wicks down and just stay with my hand very close to my neck. So I can go in front of my face, folding the hand here and folding again. So it will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I start from here, wicks up, and I go over my head, and I start, and I continue the movement, and I go to the side. And then we can go with our variation, fold, fold. Right hand in front. And I go 1, 2, and now switch, 3, and 4. Same size tracer and extension, so left hand is up, and I go trace and extend, up and down. And then again, I trace and I stay very close to my shoulder. I push on it and I go up and down, up, and my right hand is in front. And I start tracing with my left hand and extend with my right hand. And then switch, go behind with your right hand and trace and extend. And then let's trace the opposite side shoulder and extend, trace and extend. Let's trace underarm, up and down, trace, very close, up and down. Okay? And let's turn so that you go right in the movement we saw. And we start head tracing overlapped together and in front. And then split. Again, switch and back.
We are going to do a kick pochette. What it means. We are going to kick, like give a real kick. Kick, go behind and in front. Yeah? So your weight is between your two legs right now. Let's do it again. You're going to kick and behind, in front. And we're going to just join hands here and change, put this one up. Okay? This is the first option. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do it on the other side. Let's start here. So it's 1, 2, and 1, 2. Okay? Option 1. Option 2. We are here. We are going to do a wave. The pinky finger is leading. It's going between my arms here. And I'm going to extend and go up. So this is like a buzz saw, right? I do a wave and a turn. A wave with the arm which is down. I do a wave and I go up. And after I do my first wave here, I'll start turning with the other one. So you can do 1, 2. Okay? Or you can simply do 1, 2. Or you can also do 1, 2. So let's do 1 and 2. We're here with all the 3 options. We are going to do a pivot. The pivot is just turning. So we are going to this leg, the leg on our back, to turn. Okay, it changed the direction, going, watching in our back. So we are here. We are going to have a step and turn using this step. And the idea is to arrive palm facing in front of us. So don't really think about how to do it. This is, you don't have many options. You would just rotate the wrists. The kick, there is no move, or you can join here and change. You change the hand. Okay, now the left the left was up, and after that, the left will be. So 1 and 2. You go on the back, 3, 4. You're going to change to pass the left one down, 5 and 6, and turn here with your arms around. When you do retirer, dégager, retirer, dégager here, you can use or move here, the movement of your shoulder to turn, and don't forget to look at where you're going to. There. So you can stop. And you do dégager, looking to the back. And when you're doing your retirer, again, you keep on turning so you're back in front of you. And kick, ball, change. Pivot, and kick, ball, change, turn. Retirer, retirer, dégager. Retirer, dégager, we turn and retirer. Dégager, retirer, dégager.
And we will mix them with some open grip weave. So one hand will do this weave at your hip. Remember the basics for the weave. Remember to keep a loose grip. So don't try to grab your fan too tight, but just hold it with your fingertip very loosely and keep your wrist super relaxed and your arm extended like this, so that you always show the same side of the fan. At first, we will do same side shoulder tracer and same side weave. So one hand is doing the shoulder tracer and the other one is doing the weave. So first movement will be 1, 2. Okay, so be sure that when one hand is in front, the other one is behind you, and switch. Okay, so first movement was 1, 2, and then trace with your left hand and weave with your right hand. And now we'll do a tracer on the other side of the shoulder, like we saw in the first part. So instead of staying here, we'll do the tracer here. Okay. And the other hand will do the weave on the same side. So if we want to trace the right shoulder with our left hand, the movement will be on the right side of your body. So weave and trace. Let's go to the other side. So this time, the right hand will trace the opposite shoulder, and the left hand will stay at the same side to do the weave. So 1, 2. So we went on the opposite side to trace. Now we will do the tracer on the same side shoulder and the weave on the opposite side hip. So be sure that they don't hit each other because they will be on the same side of your body. So also with this move, remember to keep your weave very low. And also when you go here, stay quite low. Don't stay underarm, stay here, so that they don't hit each other here. I'll show you the back view. If you want to link the 3 movements, it will be same side, tracer on the opposite side, tracer on the opposite side, and weave on the opposite side, weave on the opposite side. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. The other hand will start here, thumb down and palm out, and we'll do an anti-spin, a 4-pedal one. So 1, 2, and instead of going down, just glide to the other side. So anti-spin, anti-spin, and to the other side. And I will go with my right hand, I will do the head tracer, and with my left hand, we'll do the anti-spin. So 1. So my fans are always in O relation, O here and O here. And then I go on. And here, my tracer was in front of my face, and the glide was here. So in this point, they overlap. So 1, 2, they overlap here, and here they are back to the starting position. A more tricky version, you can add a third to this. So instead of staying like in a tree position, you will turn 360. So what I'm doing here is starting from here, I turn and I have my fan behind my head, wicks down. I keep on turning and I'm back. So my left hand is doing, I'm starting like I started before, but when I turn, my fan will go over my head and my palm is to the audience. And then I go on with the anti-spin, and then I glide in front. 1, 2, 3, and 4.